Okay, there's been a lot of concern about how much safety we have here with this discharge in the vacuum, and so I set up a couple different detectors here. We have electromagnetic radiation detectors. One is analog, the other is digital. They measure basically the same thing, microwave and radio wave. And the card in the center is a dosimeter, which measures X-rays and gamma rays. And I'll show you at the end of this video a short clip of how that actually works. This stripe in the center the entire center will get darker and darker, and then you match it with the color code. And so we'll turn the vacuum pump on, get that running, pull down. It should take about a second to get that pulled down, enough to get an arc going. I'll go ahead and turn the thing on, and you'll see this movement inside the clay. We just have clay in there. I got about 60,000 volts on in there. When the vacuum gets sufficient, we'll be able to see the glow mode plasma. There it goes. See the detectors, but we're not even in the microwave range at that distance, so we're in pretty good shape there. There's no change in the card whatsoever. Turn this pump off. It'll sit for a little while, and you'll see when I turn the current off and turn it back on. That's wide open now, 70,000 volts right there. And so yes, we're producing a little bit of electromagnetic radiation. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll test this with say a fluorescent light bulb. If I bring it in close, you'll see that it actually produces more. Of course, it's a lot closer to it, but at any rate, the human body also puts off a fair amount of radiation. Certainly does. So there you go. There's no X and gamma ray coming from this. If you look up how the X-ray tube works, you'll see we're missing a few things here to create X-rays, such as a heated cathode and a reflective tungsten surface. So at any rate, I thought I'd throw this in, kind of ease everybody's mind a little bit. We're doing as safe as can be. These radio electromagnetic detectors are good. You can measure cell phone radiation, modem radiation, and you'll see they're much higher than this. The actual acrylic, this is touchable. It's not even it won't shock you to touch it. So it's a good insulator. And there you go. Peace and love. Okay, quickly, I thought I'd throw this one in there too. This is the open discharge test between two anode and cathode. And I'll turn it on, we'll go up, and you'll see 70,000 volts there. And, a little bit higher on the analog scale than before. Actually about the same or less on the digital meter. X-ray and gamma ray measures nothing whatsoever. Not even a slight change. So we're getting about equal to a neon bulb. About equal to the neon bulb, which is this fluorescent bulb here. We'll reset that. Just touching that metal. My hand's off focus. It goes off when you touch it too. It registers from 50 hertz to 2000 megahertz. And of course the light bulb goes over the 2000 range. See that? It does the same here. It'll go over on this one too. I'm almost peg it out. Oops. At any rate, there you go. Peace out.